It's Vlogmas, baby. Good morning. Good morning. It's day 3? Is this considered day 3 or day 2?
3.
So it's day 3 in not Puerto Plata. It's day 3 in Punta Cana. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Vlogmas. It's freezing cold. J'ai froid, il fait frais dans la chambre. It's super early. We're trying to catch the sunrise. It's currently... Hey Siri, what time is it? It's 6:26 a.m. She is here getting all ready and stuff because she's gonna be slaying the looks. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna wear white and go from there. Unfortunately, it's not looking too pretty outside, but c'est la vie, it happens. Oh, we're still hoping for the best. Okay, let's get ready. Alright, so this is my OOTD, all white today. He is here, still getting ready. But yeah, I think we're ready. Love her fit, super nice, super sexy. Okay, let's go. So we're currently speed walking to the beach. It's super windy. Our stomachs are not feeling so well. Clouds are pretty pink. Look how beautiful. So we're here at a super aesthetic spot. Miss Shailene Vasquez slaying. I'm gonna take some pictures of her. Hi, Ariel here. We're at the Blue Dorado taking pictures. Change of cover up. I decided to go with the white boho one. Breakfast. So weird. I have like ham, hash brown, watermelon, and a pancake with Nutella and a banana and a mimosa. So we're gonna eat and then we're gonna head to the beach. We're done eating. I'm pretty full actually. My stomach hurts. I think I ate way too much. The person playing right over here was such a great touch to breakfast. How did you like our date? I hired a saxophonist. Yeah, I hired a saxophonist to play at our date. I'm gonna say saxist. That don't sound right. Anyways, we're gonna head to the beach. At the beach now. It's super windy. It's like a yellow flag, so I don't think we can swim, or like we can, but it's at your own risk. It's high tide. My brother just bought some stuff. Hello, I look so tired. ¿Qué hora estás, mi chica?
1:27.
It's currently 1:27. We had to go back to the room because we were so tired, so drained. I think we both needed a nap, and we ordered room service, so we're waiting for our food. Coming at 2, so I'm just here currently reading Every Summer After. I said it was boring a couple vlogs ago, but I changed my mind. I really like it. Apparently it's the same, like there's controversy that it has the same story as, what's the name, Chini?
Love in Other Words.
Love in Other Words. So maybe I'll read that one next. We'll see. I don't know. I'm gonna take a nap. Maybe I'll go to the gym, and I want Chini to do my glam for tonight if she has the energy to. Got the food. Honestly, it's hitting different right now. Fries. Yum. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Mmm. We're up. Good morning. It's currently 3:30. We're up and striving. I feel relaxed. I feel rested. But we're gonna get coffee now. It's currently 3:39. Sunset's at 5:30 or almost 6, I think. It's super windy, as you guys can hear, or maybe you don't even hear me. But I'm at the main lobby, main bar-ish. I'm gonna edit a bit. It's nice outside, so the breeze is nice. So we're gonna edit for Vlogmas and we'll go from there. I'm here with Chini. Hi. This is the view right now. It's pretty cool. It's kind of darkish. It's very nice. Here's the bar. So we're just gonna hang here and edit a little bit, finish the Vlogmas to get ready for supper, but we have to wait till the people that clean our room come to clean our room. They've been kind of slow with the room service, not gonna lie to you. Currently 5:24. The sunset is at 5:57. I just finished editing the vlog. I have to get ready for sunset. Clearly I'm not ready, but oof, time crunch. So I'm just finishing right now. Okay, so we're back in the room. Don't mind this mess. Thank God Chini is almost ready. I'm gonna get ready and yeah, let's get ready for dinner / sunset. Look, she's so gorgeous. Gorgeous girl. Gorgeous na gorgeous. My makeup is done. I just want to show you my current favorite lip product right here. It's the Sephora one. Plumping Gloss in shade 05. It's really good. Okay, let's just see. And it's like tingly, so it obviously gives a plumping effect. But anyways, this is my favorite product. My favorite lip product so far. Except Aquaphor. I love Aquaphor. Makeup is done. Let's get dressed. I think I'm gonna wear my yellow silk dress. Here's the dress. Voila. Let's go. She's so pretty. She's attending the Grammys. Give me a little tour. Give me a little tour. Oh, wow, gorgeous girl. So cute. Okay, so we made it. We're like a couple minutes late, but it's okay. We are both in yellow. Our family's already at the beach. I think we've been there for like 20 minutes, to be honest with you. They said there's a wedding there, so I love seeing the brides. So wedding, I'm gonna be part of the wedding. Yeah, she looks like she's gonna attend the wedding, to be honest with you. Anyways, we'll see you guys there. We hope our families dress nice because we told them to dress nice. Hello. Hello guys.
Yellow.
We're at the beach. Actually the sun is somewhere else, but it's still gorgeous. Look at the beach. Hello. Canon 2023! So we got our food, everyone's starving, everyone looks happy. I'm really happy about that. Look, eating some fish tacos. Sean got tamale. Wow. Is it good, guys?
Very good.
It's only been 10 minutes and I'm so full. Even Sean, it's only been 10 minutes and we're so full. It's cheese. No. Dress rice for me. Dress rice.
Good.
Let's try it. I love Mexican rice. It's my favorite rice. So good. Why are you laughing?
Miss you, Papa. So we're gonna see you, okay?
So cute! So we're currently at the theater. There's a Dominican show happening. Currently waiting for this. The parents are here. Hello! They're excited. Woo! It's currently 10 p.m. We decided to head back at around 9:30. We're just going through our selfies that we took. Chini's here. We're both having like problems with our G7X. I don't know what's going on, but it's taking like fire content. It's just slow. I think we're just gonna rest until 11:30ish, and then maybe go to the club. We'll see. But for now, we're just chilling, hanging out. We're ready. Hola, I'm Spanish now. If you guys didn't know, me and Chini are here at the cafe again. This is literally our favorite spot in the hotel. The AC feels so good, to be honest with you. We're just cooling down before we go dancing. Look how aesthetic this bathroom is. So cute, with the black hardware. Super nice, super aesthetic. The lighting, slay, mama, slay. Look at this girl with her salsa dress. Can you show me a bit of salsa moves? Hey, hey, hey. Lemon drop?
Lemon drop.
Lemon drop. Whoa, drop it like it's hot. Okay, so guys, that was a really fun night. Hold on to you. Oh my god. Woo! Oh my god! Oh my god! Hey! Wow! That was
So fun.
incredibly
Let's do it again.
So guys, it's currently almost 2 a.m. We're gonna end the vlog here. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for tuning in to our travel diaries as well as Vlogmas, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!